What's up, all my fine girls? No pimple. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with a tutorial, and it's also going to be a first impression on the new palette that Alter Ego just dropped. This is their Coastal palette. They were kind enough to send this my way. So yeah, let's go ahead and review it. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. So Alter Ego is known for like replicating, duping higher end brands like Natasha Denona, primarily Natasha Denona. They've done like a Pat McGrath replication of a palette, and y'all, I could not figure out what this palette was supposed to be. I'm so out of tune when it comes to the new makeup coming out, but I figured it out. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. So yet again, this is the inside of the palette. They even replicated like her little formula with the gel and the stuff. Just letting you guys know, I ain't using that shade, okay? Like, nothing about that interests me. When I saw it with Huda's palettes, I was just like, yeah, I don't know about that. So I already have my brows. I was trying to say brows and primer done at the same time. I already have my brows done. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base in medium. You guys, I think this is actually my first tutorial of 2023. I don't think I filmed a tutorial at all this year. Oh my gosh. Let me go ahead and prime my eyes and we'll go ahead and get into this look and get to chit-chatting. All right, so I'm gonna first take this shade right here. I'm gonna take this blending brush and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my crease. This palette is very light, okay? It's a bit light for my liking, and I only see like one dark shade in there, so we're gonna see how dark that shade can go. If it's not dark enough, I will be pulling another palette. But anyways, so yeah, what has been going on in my life, you guys? I wouldn't say a lot, honestly. I just feel like I kind of stepped away from YouTube, not like intentionally, but I just came to terms that I just lost all like motivation and drive to want to post videos. If I'm being very honest, like that's just really what it is. Like, some of you guys reached out to me thinking something was wrong. Nothing was wrong with me. Like, I just had no drive to really just do this. Like, so I have a list of videos, like video ideas that I want to do, and I had a bunch of videos that I mean I intend on posting this year, and I just had no drive to want to film any of them. And honestly, that break, just not posting, was very much needed. But like now I feel like I'm trying to post. What? What's my camera doing? That's so weird. I don't know what that is. But anyways, I'm trying to post more because I feel like now I'm getting back into the swing of it being consistent. So I'm trying to keep that drive going, because if I post one video and then not, like, I can literally fall back into that. But I don't know, sometimes YouTube sometimes is not always as rewarding. You know, you put in all this work posting videos consistently and you don't really see what you want to see in return sometimes. And then honestly, it's a lot, especially with me. I work full-time, I'm in school. School, that was another thing too. So all of that stuff, I was just like, ugh, I'm tired. I'm just tired. Also, another thing that happened last year was, if you guys have been following me for some time now, you'd have known that I did talk about me. I was supposed to graduate last December. Obviously, that didn't happen. Basically, the very last class that I had to take for my program, I didn't get the grade that I needed to get. I passed the class, but not with the grade that I needed for my master's program. So I had to retake it, had to spend money again for the same class with the same professor. And I asked this man, I just need a 0.4 for him to round it up to get the letter grade that I needed. This man said no. I even tried to appeal it with the board. It came back denied. You guys, that thing just really just made me so sad. I was just like, my camera freaking cut off on me. I don't even know what I was saying. But before we get back into that, I'm gonna take this pencil brush and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Let's see how dark this shade can go. But basically, I think what I was saying was, I mean, not being able to graduate last semester really just, it made me really sad. So, but retook the class and I passed, and with the grade that I needed. And I am set to be graduating Mother's Day weekend. So I'm very excited. Can't wait to be done with this program. Also, I kind of got like I don't know if it's a promotion at work, but like, I mean, I guess I kind of did. Like, I moved into a new role. So I'm happy about that. Okay, so this not looking dark the way I want it to look, but I'm gonna take this clean blending brush and I'm gonna go ahead and just, actually I'm gonna dip into this shade a little bit more, and I'm gonna use that to start blending this out. Maybe it might be. Okay. I mean, it's not my level of dark, but it's doable, okay? It's doable. Okay, for the shimmer shade, I'm kind of leaning towards this shade right here. It's kind of like it's some sort of duochrome. It's like purple pinkish. So let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks very different than what is in the pan. Okay, that's interesting. I don't know if I like this color. Like, I don't dislike it. I just don't know if I like it. Well, I don't think it's what I was expecting. Okay, so this is the completed eye look. This is what I came up with. I don't dislike it. I like it. It's just the color. I mean, it's cool. It's interesting. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I'll be back to show you guys the completed look once everything is done. All right, you guys. So this is the completed look. She's cute. So this palette, I don't know how much this palette costs, but I want to say it's like $15 to $20. I want to say. I think so. Either way it goes, I have a discount code. So Whitney 10 will save you 10% off your purchase. But yeah, so this is this palette. I mean, if you like the Huda Beauty palette, but you don't want to pay the Huda Beauty price and you want something similar, I will say go right on ahead. Now, personally, this is not my cup of tea as far as like color story. I do like things a little bit more darker, but if you like more of a lighter pastel type of palette, you could definitely get, you know, use out of this. The formula is pretty good. I didn't have any issues applying it on. For anybody who was interested in how this shade performs, let me see, can I swatch it? Oh, yes, okay, look. I can at least swatch it for you guys, even though I'm not gonna use it. That's what it looks like. It's like Vaseline. That's what I'm just, I don't understand this texture. And there's something just revolutionary about this. But anyways, so yeah, that's that palette. That's really it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you plan on picking this palette up. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.